Hello everyone and welcome back. So today I am going to do a manicure featuring Triple D's February 2022 Diva box. So I already opened this box and I just want to quickly show you what's inside. So first it comes with this microfiber towel. So it's actually a very huge towel and you can actually use this to put it on your desk so that it will catch all those dust and excess powders, but I am not gonna use it for that. I am going to use it as a towel itself. And it is really so soft, so I am going to use that for sure. And again, you'll be getting 4 the powders. You'll also be getting this glass cuticle tool. So I'm actually not a fan of this kind of tools. I do have the one from Bonafide Beauty, but I'm not really using it that much. But yeah, let's see if I will love this one. And lastly, it comes with this builder gel. So I am really excited about this builder gel. They call it Ice Cream Opulent, and I am really excited because this color is really pretty. So I'm going to try to use this also on my manicure later. But let me just quickly show you the swatches of the colors. So there is one color changer here. It is called Empowerment. And I also swatch here the Ice Cream Opulent. And yeah, here are the colors. I think they are so pretty. Turquoise, mint, teal, whatever you want to call it, those are like really my favorite colors. So I am so excited that I was able to get this box. So yeah, let's begin with my manicure. I already applied my jelly dips and I also already applied my peel base on. So I am going to start first with Diva Dip 44, and for the dip base I'll be using Mani Boss. So I am using the jelly dips that I got from AliExpress, and it's a $4 set of jelly dips, and I actually love it. It's not that bad. And yeah, this jar is actually not this half. You'll be getting a full jar. I just shared some of it to a nail friend. That's why it's half already. She missed the box because I think it was sold out in about like 3 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. It was so fast. But yeah, I'm just so happy that I was able to get it, and these colors are really my vibe, so I am so happy. And these colors are also perfect for spring, which I am so excited about. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this color on my thumb and on my pinky finger. So I am just going to do like 3 layers of solids, and for the flakes or glitters, I'll be doing about 2. So I decided to use this one. It is for cleaning your cuticle area. So I actually got some powders near my cuticle area, so I am going to try to remove that using this tool. So actually I have a thing about glass cuticle files, or like this one, the cuticle cleanup tool. It feels weird to me because of the texture of the glass. I'm not sure if it's only me. The rough texture to me really feels weird. And I actually have some quite few glass tool here that I really don't use a lot because of that reason. But yeah, let me know if you also feel the same or I am just being weird. Anyways, moving back to my manicure. So if I am not mistaken, they actually named Ice Cream Opulent to their old color, which is Ice Cream Social. This is really one of my favorite OG colors from Triple D. As you can see, I am almost half of my jar, and I decided to just use this as well. So I'm just going to apply it on my pointer finger, and then later I am going to test the builder gel, the Ice Cream Opulent builder gel, to my ring finger. Alright, so this is after doing 3 dips of that ice cream social color. So now I am going to use a Diva Dip 45. So this is really a very nice flake color. I am going to apply that on my middle finger. So when it comes to glitters and flakes, I just usually use 2 layers. Actually, when it comes to flake dip powders, Triple D has one of the best because their flakes are really jam-packed. It has really lots of pigments in there. I don't know how you call that, but even with one dip, you will already see like a full coverage. So this one is one dip, and as you can see, it actually covered my entire nail. The only thing that I don't like about flakes is that they are so messy to work with and they will really fly to everywhere. But yeah, that's just the beauty of it, and let's just deal with that. So I am actually going to apply one more layer, but as you can see, even with just one full dip, it is already so pigmented. And one thing that you really want to do when using flake dip powders is that you have to press it so that it will settle down, and wait for about a minute before you totally brush it off so that it won't like fly everywhere. Just wait for the dip base to be dry first before you dust off any excess flakes. And this is after I applied 2 layers of a Diva Dip 45. So now I am going to do my ring finger, and I am going to try and use the Opulent Builder Gel. So I am starting first with applying gel base and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds so that I have like a base for my builder gel. And after that, I'm just going to apply it as the base color. And after that, without curing, I am going to sprinkle some flakes on top of it. So this is how it looks like, and I am just going to cure it in the lamp for about a minute. And after curing, I didn't wipe the tacky layer. I am going to immediately apply clear builder gel to encapsulate those flakes. So I am just applying a thin layer of clear builder gel so that I don't get like a super bulky nail. And after doing that, I am going to cure that again in the lamp for 60 seconds. And after curing, I will immediately apply the gel top coat. So I didn't wipe again the tacky layer so that the gel top coat will have something to adhere to. So I'm done with my ring finger. I will just file a little bit of the sides later to get the shape. So I will just clear encapsulate the rest of my nails, and I am using Sparkle & Co. Clear Dip Powder. So after I encapsulate everything, I am going to apply Activator. So after this, I'm just going to let this dry and then do all my filing and shaping, and this is after I did that. So now I am going to top coat everything. I am going to use this Mani Boss 2-in-1 gel base and top coat. So I did not cure my nails yet. I am going to apply some Rhinestone Glue, and I will be adding some cute bow. So I'm just going to put the Rhinestone Glue, and after that I am going to put this cute bow that I bought from SHEIN. Just making sure that everything is straight before I cure everything in the lamp for 60 seconds. So now that my nails are all cured, I am now going to apply Cuticle Oil. And again, I am using Scales of a Mermaid. I really highly recommend their products. I love their cuticle oils. They have lotions. They also have some cuticle balms. So yeah, make sure to check Scales of a Mermaid. You can use my discount code Jessie10 for 10% off. So I'll be putting all the links in the description box. So yeah, I am finally done, and here is the finished look. I really love how this turned out. The pastel colors are so perfect together. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment box below. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye!